I don't know what to do.
What do you want to do?
Throw myself at him, profess my undying love, and my complete disregard for us. Doesn't sound funny anymore, does it?
Not really.
You don't think I should pursue this, do you?
No.
Okay, why?
Because the price for violating this is too high.
I know what my family will say, and you are not my family.
You're not mine either. But you are my wife. And you have responsibilities to never just...
I'm not here to be lectured about my responsibility.
You came here looking for advice from somebody that loves you, and that's exactly what you're getting.
You're right. I'm sorry.
I know this is difficult for you. I know how you felt about him. But I want you to think about what'll happen if you pursue this. I mean, it goes against everything you were taught to believe in.
I know that. I believe in that. But I also know that I love him.
I know you do. If I were in your position, I'd be just as ready to throw everything away for the person I love or want to love, but I'd also want to be sure I was ready to pay the price.